Hello, hello guys. Yes, yes. So we can start the class. Omar is not going to join, so we can start. He will want to cover it from the video itself. Okay. Okay. So we completed till ribbon chart yesterday, and now we have waterfall chart. So before that waterfall chart, I want to go for pie chart and donut chart. And okay, let's go for it first. Waterfall chart. Okay. All right. So we can check the details about how to use waterfall chart and how it's look like. So we can click on the waterfall chart and then choose some data, anything if you want, maybe profit, and then order it, choose order year or month, whatever you like, and then category. So just wait. Okay, so it will show like this. Okay, and if you want to convert this into year, wait, you can convert into year or quarter, anything. Okay, so this way we can create a waterfall chart. Let me make this some modification here. Go to the format and x-axis. All right, and then go to general, effect, give some effect, and data label. If you want to give data label, go to visual, and after that data label. Okay, so this waterfall chart can show year wise profit. Okay, when I touch this, year 2011 sum of profit is 2,48,940, and in 2012 it's 3,07,415, and similarly 2013 and 2014. Okay, when I touch this, it show the category also. Sum of profit in 2011 and 2012, sum of profit change 33% from 2011 to 2012. And when I touch this is technology, this is for office supply, and this is for furniture item. Similarly, if you touch this for office supply, and then technology, and then furniture. So compared to this 2011 to 12 and 2012 to 13, see, first technology has the lowest position, and here office supplies are lowest position, and here furniture is here, and then furniture is here again. So this is called the waterfall chart, and we can use in this way. Okay, after that we have funnel chart. Okay, so go for funnel chart, and for funnel chart I am choosing subcategory. Okay, wait, and then value, let's suppose uh, sales. Okay, so we get like this, and if you choose something so here if I modify it, so you can change the color of this. Okay, data level is also, you can increase or decrease the size. Fine. Then background, category level, value, okay, and bold, give some blue color. Fine. Go to general, go to effect, or before that title, middle, bold, like this, underline, change the background color. Okay, so this way we can use the funnel chart. Okay, and here when I touch this subcategory, sum of sales and percentage of first is 100%. When I touch second one, it's 84% and co-buyer and sum of sales here. So it shows the percentage of whatever the maximum value and whatever the next one. So it's create a hierarchy. Okay, like this. So instead of choosing subcategory, if I choose something else, maybe country, 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 see what happens. But this data is very big, so it's difficult to find it. City, even greater than that. That's why I choose subcategory. Okay, so this way we can analyze the sales, or if you want to analyze the profit, cancel it, choose profit. Okay, so these are the profits and percentage of each subcategory. If you want, you can go for shipping cost. All right, so this way we can do it. After that we have scatter plot. This is one of the unique chart in Power BI. Out of all of this chart, this scatter plot has animation option. We can use animation. Let's try this. Okay, value, axis, ligands, size, play axis, everything. So under value, if let's suppose I put sales, okay, then y-axis, um, maybe category, and after that size should be quantity is here, or maybe put quantity into the size. Okay, now maybe instead of category I'm going to choose subcategory, like this, and then category also. Fine. Now here play axis, let's suppose I choose order date, or maybe wait, play axis, all right, and data hierarchy. See here. Now let me make this perfect. Okay, and visual. Tell me. X-axis and here no y-axis. In y-axis there is a value. Here if you want to add, we will add it. But first here I just put here date into this play axis. So it create animation here. See when I click on this. See, all right. Or if you want, we can give here subcategory here y-axis. If you want to put maybe wait, yes. Or if I play, see, all right. So this is the one of the out of the total graph, uh, the scatter plot have animation option. Okay, we can animate the graph. Even if I click on this, see, it's created the flow. When I click on this, I click on this. Okay, all right. So this is the scatter plot, and this is one of the unique graph in all of the other charts. Okay, and wait. Okay, now category wise, all the bubbles are showing. Okay, after that, reagents is fine, everything is fine. So this way we can create a scatter plot, and this is one of the unique chart in Power BI. Okay, so this shows the flow of this technology. Okay, if you touch any of the bubble, it shows category, subcategory, sum of sales, sum of profit, quantity, and the year. Okay, all right. So this is the one of the best graph in Power BI. After that, we have pie chart and donut chart. For pie chart and donut chart, I am going to use some other data source. So we are using this data or global superstore data. Now I want to import data from the database. Which database? SQL Server. See, this is SQL Server. Click on this. Wait for some time. Database. So this is our part of course. We will learn about the SQL. Okay, and if you want, I will share the note. You can install it. Okay, but uh, yeah, just observe it, and this is the course, part of our course, and you have to install this, and we can learn it. Okay, but I'm going to teach you first Python, then we will go for database. Okay, after this Power BI, we will go for the Python. So wait for some time. It will take some time to start. Maybe just wait. Okay, so this is the product of Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Hello? Yeah, tell me. You want anything, Nanny? Okay, no problem. Ramya, hello, Ramya. Ramya is not in class. Yes, you are not saying anything. Why? Yeah, you are audible. Okay, so you will able to, you will able to create the scatter plot. Hello. Okay, so it's a one of the graph where there is a option of animation. We can animate. Now I'm going to open a database, SQL Server, and I'm going to import some data from this database, and then we can use into the Power BI. Okay. Yeah. Just wait because it will take some time to start. Yes. So this is our SQL server. Still taking time. Wait. This is the user interface of SQL server when we start. Hmm. Now see server name. So we need this server name to connect with the Power BI. So copy this, copy and paste at this. I am going to paste here. Okay, paste here. Copy this and paste here because we need this server name into Power BI. So here is the server name, this one. Now I'm going to connect this with the server. Connect. Okay, so this is database here and we have a new query. Click on new query. Hello, hello. Hi, Omar. Okay. Oh, yeah. No problem. So actually we are connecting Power BI with the database. Okay, that is SQL server. So we have started a SQL server here and trying to get some data from here. Okay, hold on. Wait. New query. Okay, see here. This is a database. If I click on this, you will see so many database here. This cylindrical shape is database, and all the database created by myself. Adventure workbook 2020, adventure workbook 2020, a underscore SQL full course, import Excel data, Infosys database, inventory DB, learning Python. These are the database which I created. Okay. So I am going to use this Infosys database. Okay. So just click on plus sign here. When you click on this, it expand. So when we expand, you see these folders: database, table, view, everything. Here table. So I'm click on this table. So when you click on the table, this will expand. Hold on. I don't know. System is going to be slow. Not take such a time. See, we have this table: employee underscore data, Infosys underscore company. So these are the table. Now I want to check what are the data stored in this table. So how to check? We have a SQL code, that is standard query language. How to write? Select star from this table name. So I am going to drag and drop here. Even you can type also, but I'm not going to type because when we type there is a chances of spelling mistakes. So I didn't type. And before running this, we have to select the same database. And what is the name of database? Infosys data. So click on this and choose the database. Here, Infosys underscore database. Now we can run it. Select and execute. So this is the data stored in this table. Okay. This is data is small because I just created it for study learning purpose. So it's created here. Fine. Now, so here ID column, name column, last name, age, salary, company. So I'm going to use this data into the Power BI here. And after importing this data into Power BI, I'm going to analyze the data by creating graphs and charts. Okay. So how to get this data into our Power BI? See, go to get data and choosing instead of Excel, choose SQL Server. Okay, now it's asking for server name. So we already saved the server name here. Copy this server name, paste here. Now it's asking for database name. So this is optional. So I'm not going to give it. Import. Yes, I want to import. Click OK. Wait for some time. It's connecting with the database. Okay, so it is connected with the database. Now click on this arrow. Hold on, still it's connecting. See, whatever the database in our SQL server here, adventure workbook, Infosys database, inventory DB, whatever the database here, it's visible now here. Adventure workbook, AKSQL, Infosys database. So currently we are using Infosys underscore data. Click on this arrow. Now choose the table. I want to choose this table because we are using here employee data, this table, employee data. I want this data into our Power BI. Choose this, so it's showing here. See this ID, name, last name, age, salary and company. ID, name, last name, age, salary and company. Now if you want to transform data, you can transform it to modify the data, but I don't want to modify, just simply load and wait for some time. Data is going to be load from SQL Server to Power BI. Wait, it's importing the data. Now it's imported. Okay, now it's visible here. Wait a minute. So currently there is a 3 table. Now it's going to create a 4th table. Yeah, see this one. Employee underscore data. Okay, so this is the data, employee underscore data, and ID, name, age, salary, and the company. So when I expand this, age, company, ID, last name, name and salary. So because the sequence is ID, name, last name, it's arranged in the form of alphabetical orders. A, C, I, L, N, M, alphabetically arranged. Okay. Now I'm going to this data to create a graph. So choose this pie chart, and for pie chart I'm going to choose age, salary, and maybe name or company. All right, and again I'm going to choose a donut chart, and I'm going to age, ID, and name. Okay, so this way we can create a 2 charts, a donut chart and pie chart, getting data from the SQL server, that is database, and now we can visualize the charts. Okay, if you want you can make this more attractive. Okay, whatever you want to do, just modify it so that it should be looks more better. Data level, increase the size, bold, blue. Okay, or if you want to increase the legend size, title, bold. Any other color, maybe some vibrant color. Okay, Again for this, go for data level, bold, vibrant color, ligands, I'm sorry. Okay, so this way we can create a chart importing the data from the database, and we can create it. So it's a Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, HCL. These are the list of company, and these are the salary in K. Okay, and here name of the person and maybe age here. Okay, so this way we can analyze the data by importing the data from the SQL server or database. Okay, now move. So I'm going to close this. Okay, meanwhile we can going to study about tree map. So click on tree map. Okay, and for tree map it shows data into the picture of blocks. So I am going to again choose this data, global superstore data, choosing cells. Okay, and then choosing not country, subcategory. See this. So it's divided into the blocks. When I touch any of the block, it says the detail. Subcategory is a phone, and sum of cells is 1 lakhs, no, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 17 lakhs, 6,824. Okay, like this, and the last one. That is label. Okay, if you want to add something, maybe even category, I am going to add. So even it will show the data of category also. It's a phone, and category is the technology and the sum of sales. All right. If you want to add something more, maybe country. Okay, just remove the subcategory. See this. Now it's showing the country. Each block show the country. China, Germany, again China, like this. Mexico, United Kingdom. Category and the sum of sales. If you want go for the profit, just click on the profit. So when I touch, it will say the country, category, sum of sales, and sum of profit in form of blocks. So remove the country and choose maybe this one subcategory. Okay, if I click on the quantity, so it will add quantity here. So whatever you want, you can put here. Maybe city. See, oops. So three category, subcategory. Okay, so this is the tree map. Okay, let's discuss one more interesting chart, that is map. Okay, map. Click on map. adjust the size. So before using map, we need to have a geographical data. Okay, Umar, tell me what is geographical data? Which geographical data we need? Yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, Ramya, suggest me some of the geographical data which have already in our data. This data. Hello, Ramya. Hello, hello. Okay, Nani, can you tell me? Yes. What are the geographical data we have already in this data set? Uh, can you speak loudly because I'm not able to hear you? Postal code. Nice. Very nice. Okay. City. Yes. Country. Great. Okay. So, great. That's it. That's it. I want only this. So, before using a map, we need to have geographical data. That is city, country, state. Where is the state? State here. Pin code. Okay. So, these are the geographical data. I'm going to use it now. Okay. See, sometime if you guys are not able to this see this graph, you have to activate this, and you can activate using the how to activate. Go to file, go to option setting, go to option, wait, it's taking some time. Hold on. uh, yes, after this go for security and then click on use map and field map visible. Click on this and click OK. Once you activate this, this graph will be activated. Okay. Now choose the data. So I'm going to choose some of cells here. Okay. And then wait for some time. And I'm going to choose country. Okay. So now if I touch any of the bubbles, it say the country name and the sum of cells. Okay. Now I'm going to click on category. Now it's divided into the category. Okay. So this way we can activate the things. If I click on the profit, now when I touch any of the bubble, see United States, furniture, sum of sales, sum of profit, like this. So you can zoom it. Okay, no problem. So after that, if you want to choose city or maybe state, click on this. Okay, wait. Yeah. Now, yeah, see this. See here, all the data for according to the state wise. So within India, if I try to find it, you can check this here. State Punjab, category technology, sum of sales, sum of profit. If I touch this, Andhra Pradesh, category, sum of sales, sum of profit. Karnataka, maybe Tamil Nadu, like this. If you want, you can go for another country also, maybe Afghanistan, Iran, anything. So currently there is a fight between Iran and America. So this is the area, and this is the sea where lots of thing is happening here. Fine. So if you can touch anything here, it says sum of sales, profit, and category states. All right. Now I'm going to put this one, slicer. Click on slicer. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Okay. Come outside from the graph and then click slicer here. Now when I click on the state, see, now wherever, okay, fine. Let me give some background color so it's visible more. Maybe some lighter color. Okay, fine. So this is the slicer we are going to use. If I click on any of the state, it will go there. Okay, see, fine. If I change into the country, maybe country, now it's it shows the country. Maybe if I go to any of the country, if you want to find, you will get it. I'm finding maybe India. Is there? Oh, no India. I don't know why. Anything. Okay. So this way we can get it. Even you don't want this, just delete it and select the graph. Okay, expand this. Here you will get the slicer here. Maybe I click on this. See, all the state is visible here. Okay, and just untick, choose country, country here. So even already a slicer is there. Choose any of the country, maybe Afghanistan. Okay, like this you can choose any of the country. So you can see it. So this is already a slicer here, but if you want, you can use this slicer also. Okay. After that, if you want, you can change the format of this. No problem. If you want to change, see if you want to change the effect, wait. So first of all, let me choose this one. Go for country. Okay, fine. Now, if you want to change the format, go to this one, general, effect, or visual, map setting. Choose any of the style, maybe dark. See, dark style. Maybe light, light. Maybe grayscale. Okay, maybe a okay, Arial or road style. Any of the style you want, just choose it. So this is map. Just try it, all the things, okay, and revise it. So we learned so many things today. Uh, Waterfall chart, funnel chart, scatter plot, very interesting. We can animate this. Okay. If I touch any of the bubble, it shows the flow. Then we read about pie chart and donut chart by importing data from the SQL server. After that, study about the tree map and then finally map. Okay. So now I'm going to stop the class. Okay, guys. Hello, Umar and Nani. Okay, so I'm going to stop the class. Just revise it, and you can, if anything you want, you can go for the video and revise it. Okay, and for SQL Server or maybe MySQL, we have a this topic in our course. We are going to learn it, but after Python. Okay then. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye Nani. Bye. Good night.